Today we're running a 1949 Montgomery Ward Sea King 3 horsepower made by the Gale division of OMC. This is a single cylinder liquid cooled engine. And it was so funky looking, I just had to see if I can get it going. This was a basket case. I'll put some stuff in the description as to what was wrong with it. Very simple to operate. Throttle here that moves the throttle barrel on the carburetor and the timing. And this is just a mixer or jet for the high speed. If you go all the way to the left for cold start, it'll burp the float chamber to burp some gas into the venturi. And then on the side of the carburetor, there's an air adjustment for your low speed operation. So let's see how it runs. So it runs pretty good. I noticed that when I was working on it that somebody had made a jet for this, and the taper on the end is way too obtuse. So if you just look at this jet wrong, the mixture is off for both high and low speed, because it's just too sensitive. Okay, so I'm gonna make another jet for it, but other than that, it's pretty healthy. Internally, it was a disaster. The carburetor is all messed up, and then all the normal stuff on top of that. But I'm happy with the way it runs so far, and I think it'll be even better once I make this jet so I can really get it dialed in well. So again, this is a 1949 Montgomery Ward Sea King 3 horsepower single cylinder liquid cooled engine made by Gale products. Run them if you got them.